Hello everyone, welcome to Kastang Official. Tinin topics on how to start your own business. First of all, business kaina tangkan kai education most important. Kebang ma cerai rok school pori tongnai rok na ang kenao je pori yawo business kainai pori yui tamola business kai ke se rang kebang an kai mano. That is totally wrong, guys. Entrepreneur ongna thangkang ke highly educated ongna nangnai inke se nongni ni business easily operate khaimanai tai jara pori paijak borokno ba ang suggest khainai norok only for government job ni bagai naisingta tongdi tani inke jini state or literacy rate onek gobang je kono government faifano abo fulfill khlaimaya baksa government job naisimang age limit pai thango. Yes, jini triprao sanatangke boyni state haike kotor industry industry se kari hinke corporate job asuk kari haifano norok na ang sanai norok khaino asuk tong yawe corporate job fano try kadi corporate job asuk difficult ya government job haike aro salary onek high with incentive as per your experience nono jak nai tai ni experience bo ongnai abuni loge ni salary bo high ongnai loge norok competitive exam bo try kadi. Instead of that abuni sada young energetic kebangma tong I want to be my own boss ongna musung nai rok faidi inke friend song ang norok no sanai je kono business or start up khaina bagai nang nije no sina nangnai nang exactly tamo khaina musu ni idea tamo idea emon jat khaita khaidi je borok ni kono business gărui abono nang snamnai abo actually wrong tamni inke atei business onek high risk of hayo je jagao customer base gărui establish gărui source of revenue gărui nini age trial or experiment khaisa gya je or revenue busuk phai or busuk joratei problem nukjak atei business onek high risk of hayo so ang norok na recommend khainai onno borok wansung jage idea o thangna nangya abo onek high risk. In fact, you have to think that what do yourself like to do nung nije no sina nangnai nung tamo khaina hamjak ang step by step sanai. First, norok nije no focus khaidi nini passion tamo nini interest nung nije tamo khaina hamjak. Secondly, nung nini samung by or nini products by ke borok no satisfy khainai abuni bodla nini profit or rang phainai abun nung sina nangnai. Third inke nini khaina musuma business similar already exists nung khaina musuma business haike motamoti similar inke nung abono thangai study khaidi ke business run khainai. Fourth inke business plan khaidi for 1 year ni bagai suppose nung this month ni simi nini business start khayo inke from this month prepared khaidi nini budget report for full 1 year ni bagai nini business start khaina bagai busuk rang nangnai busuk capital or investment nangnai busuk khoros nangnai busuk profit phainai abo nung thik khai reports namna nangnai norok ang je step by step sawi phaimani abo no follow khaiga ankai norok success onglani onek chance tong so ang norok na recommend khainai business khaina bagai bank o business loan tong with subsidy chini borok ni bagai 35% subsidy norok baike business loan process khainai or tamo document na ang age ni video sajak tong norok age ni video nai nai di tai papers work ni bagai norok ang bai kerengui mano and norok ni presentation for business loan ni bagai guide nangke ang bai kerengui mano tai next video ang norok no ani client stock by malai ronani try khainai je rok ni loan already ongoi business startup khai tongnai rok bai obviously abo rok ke bok ni borok no jeta always fast so belai ke hambai norok no ani video paithak oprini nai tonga bagai. Thank you.